In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your Wix website using the Wix editor. To get started, open your website design workspace in the Wix editor using Google Chrome. Using Chrome is helpful because it tends to work smoothly with Wix and gives you a stable editing experience while you make changes to your site. Once your editor is fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the main design workspace where you can access the site tools and editing controls. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the utility panel, which contains different tools and options for building and customizing your website. In that panel, click the apps icon. This will open the area that connects you to the Wix app market, where you can browse and install additional features for your site. The Wix app market is where you can extend your website's functionality without needing to code everything manually. It includes a wide range of tools for marketing, communication, sales, forms, and advertising. Since the goal here is to add advertising functionality, the next step is to use the search feature inside the app market. In the search bar, type Google AdSense. As the results appear, find the app named Google AdSense and select it. Be sure you're choosing the correct app name so you can install the intended integration for your Wix website. Once you've opened the app listing, click Add to Site. This begins the process of adding the Google AdSense app to your Wix website. After selecting this option, Wix will attach the app to your site so you can continue with any setup or configuration that may be required inside your editor or account dashboard afterward. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to wait for each page or panel to load completely before clicking the next option. That helps avoid misclicks and makes the setup feel much smoother. Also, if you don't immediately see the app or the app market content doesn't refresh, give the editor a second or reload the page in Chrome and try again. That's it for this part of the setup. You've opened the Wix editor, accessed the app market through the apps icon, searched for Google AdSense, and added it to your site. From here, you'll be ready to continue with the app's setup inside Wix.